You want to become confident speaking English. I know that feeling when you can understand English almost all the time when you're watching videos, but when it comes to actual speak, you are so scared that you cannot say even a single word. But no worry, this week we will change it and start building your confidence speaking English. Don't worry, we will take it easy and practice step by step. How we will practice? You listen how I speak and after repeat after me. This week I will give you phrases which will be helpful for you in everyday life. Don't try to remember them, just repeat with me and make your brain make all the work. Important part, don't just listen, speak with me. That's the most crucial part of that lesson. If you're ready to start, let's go. In our first day, we will describe our daily routine. Repeat after me. I woke up feeling a bit tired, but I pushed myself to start the day. I woke up feeling a bit tired, but I pushed myself to start the day. I made some coffee and planned what I wanted to do. I made some coffee and planned what I wanted to do. Work was busy, but I tried to stay positive. Work was busy, but I tried to stay positive. I talked to a friend and it made me feel better. I talked to a friend and it made me feel better. Now I'm ending my day proud that I didn't give up. Now I'm ending my day proud that I didn't give up. Now let's start our day number 2 practice where we will learn how to share our opinion. Repeat after me. I think people worry too much about being perfect. I think people worry too much about being perfect. Mistakes just a part of learning. That's how we grow. Mistakes just a part of learning. That's how we grow. In my opinion, speaking confident matters more than grammar. In my opinion, speaking confident matters more than grammar. Everyone have something valuable to say. Everyone have something valuable to say. So I choose to speak, even if my English is not perfect. So I choose to speak even if my English is not perfect. Okay? Welcome to the day number 3, where we will speak together and tell a story. Repeat after me. Don't just listen. That's important. Last weekend, I decided to try something new. Last weekend, I decided to try something new. I went hiking with a few friends from work. I went hiking with a few friends from work. The weather was perfect and we loved the whole way. The weather was perfect and we loved the whole way. At the top, view made me to forget everything else. At the top, view made me to forget everything else. That moment reminded me why I love small adventures. That moment reminded me why I love small adventures. Now, day number 4, we will practice tongue twisters all together. Tongue twisters will help your brain and tongue to connect. Tongue twisters will help your facial muscles to actually speak clear. Let's start. She sells seashells at the seashore. She sells seashells at the seashore. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Make it challenging and try to repeat this one a few times in a row. That's challenging for me as well. Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for the ice cream. Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for the ice cream. Practice doesn't make perfect. It makes progress. Practice doesn't make perfect. It makes progress. It's not a tongue twister, but it's actually how you should work. Practicing will make you more confident and more fluent over time. That's 100%. We start in day number 5, where we will train ourselves to ask questions. We will practice asking 5 questions. Repeat after me. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? What inspires you the most? What inspires you the most? What's the goal you're working on? What's the goal you're working on? Why is that important to you? Why is that important to you? This started our day number 6. During day number 6, we will describe our favorite food. Repeat after me. Make it not just listening, but also a speaking practice for you. My favorite food is pasta. Simple, warm, and full of flavor. I could eat it every day and never get bored. I could eat it every day and never get bored. I like cooking it with garlic, olive oil, and a little cheese. I like cooking it with garlic, olive oil, and a little cheese. The smell always makes me feel at home. The smell always makes me feel at home. Food is not about taste, it's about memories. Food is not about taste, it's about memories. So now day 7, and that's challenge for you. Listen and repeat after me. Listen my version, and after record your own. How much progress did you make in English during that practice? Ready? Let's get started. First, you will listen mine and repeat after me. After, if you want, you can record your own version and share your results in the comment. Hey everyone, I just wanted to share my progress. Hey everyone, I just wanted to share my progress. This challenge helped me to speak with confidence. This challenge helped me to speak with confidence. I still make mistakes, but I'm not afraid anymore. I still make mistakes, but I'm not afraid anymore. Speaking every day changed the way I see English. Speaking every day changed the way I see English. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just keep going. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just keep going. That was mine. Record your own and see the progress you made alone. If you see a tiny improvement only, it's not time to worry about it. It's time to practice and be consistent speaking. And someday you will see how fluent you are. Great work! We practiced together and achieved impressive results, I'm sure. Practice every day, even for a few minutes, will help you to boost your confidence and fluency speaking English. That's really my goal, to help you to speak English confidently, and I would love to hear from you what kind of videos you would love to see and what will help you to boost your English confidence the most. If you don't want to stop that practice here, watch my other videos where we practice together to speak English. See you there. Bye.